It is not fall, okay? It is still summer. It is still hot.
This is so cute. Oh my god, they already have Christmas decor out. Shut up.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Also, y'all, look at my hair color. It's giving the fall vibes, okay? It's honestly actually in theme of this video. Like, I feel like my hair is definitely moving with the seasons right now. But speaking of that, I actually wasn't even intending to vlog today, but I really wanted to go to Target and Home Goods in a different area. So with that being said, I wanted to show you guys like what is in store right now for fall decor, because fall home decor has officially been put out. And yes, it is not fall, okay? It is still summer. It is still hot. It is hot as heck. But this is the time to like honestly start kind of stacking up and getting like little pieces here and there for fall if you're into that. I just recently kind of got into decorating my house like for like seasons. Other than like Christmas, I've always decorated for Christmas, but I've never been the one for like the cheesy home seasonal decor. That's just not my vibe. But I'm going for like a neutral fall home decor vibe. So make sure you're following me on Instagram and TikTok as well too, because I'm gonna like show different glimpses of like my house and things like that. And of course on YouTube you guys are gonna get really all the content, but you know, if you want to get a little sneak peek of what's happening, make sure you follow me on those platforms. But y'all, I don't know, I've already honestly low-key have done most of my fall decor shopping, and I'll show you guys. I'll do like a little haul when I get home to show you guys what I have and what I got if I get something today. But I feel like, I don't know, I feel like I'm missing a couple pieces. Anyway, I'll show you guys what is in the store currently. We're gonna go to Target first, because I have to pick up some other stuff from Target anyway. You know, you can never go into Target and like get what you intend to get. But we're gonna go to Target first and see like what they have. I already like actually got one piece from Target, but when I went, they didn't really have like anything out actually. So we'll go in there and see what they have, and then we're gonna go to Home Goods. So let's just get right into it.
Okay, side note, I haven't seen the Ultas yet in Target. How cute is this? And they have my favorite pattern, so your girl may have to cop some. So cute. Love Tracy Ellis Ross. This is so cute. This is by the Hearth and Hand collection. Too cute. Very neutral. This is also like a cute little tray if you want to style it with like, I don't know, some fall things on it. Or like if you have like a guest room or something like that, you want to kind of bring like a little warm touch in it. Just in general, I think for like your decor is really cute. I like the leaf selections too here, but I feel like you can get them cheaper like at a Hobby Lobby or a like Michael's or something like that. This is too cute, like a little candle holder. Look at that. This Target is really cute. They also remodeled it. How cute is that? I like this vase. Not for just fall, but just in general. I'm like collecting a bunch of vases just because I already have that vase at home. And then they also have some cute little colored vases for fall.
Alright, so Target was a little of a success. I will say like their home decor selection is like for fall at least. It's very neutral, so it does fit the vibes, but they don't really have like any like pumpkins or just kind of like super duper theme things. Unless I was like looking at the wrong stuff. But also I feel like certain Targets carry certain things. So like I found like this cute little pumpkin jar at my Target, like near my home, and I'm about like 45 minutes away from my house, and this Target had like just kind of more of like the hearth and home type of collection, but a little bit more selection from hearth and home. I did get a cute vase, not really necessarily for fall. I may use it in my decor in my home, but just to kind of have just in general, because I am trying to like build up like my arsenal of pieces that I have in the house for when we do get our bookcases, because we're going to do custom bookcases next year. So I kind of want to have like stuff already, like, I don't know, stashed away for that. So that is together. But I did get a wreath, which I wrote down and got the wreath. It was like a bit more expensive for my liking. But I will say that when I actually compared it to like DIYing one, it was going to be around the same price. So I was like, let me just go ahead and just get this. Although I will say with the DIYing a wreath, like at least you can buy the base and then you can just redo, you know, you can use that same base for the next year and kind of like redo the little like add-ins that you do, which is nice. So, but I didn't really feel like it this year. I don't know, I'm just like, I really didn't really see too many add-ins that I liked anyway. And maybe I'll go to, I don't know, maybe I'll hit Michael's and just see. I may change my mind. Maybe I'll do that in this vlog. But I really like that wreath. That was the first like pre-made wreath I've seen that I kind of like really like. So I'm gonna do that wreath for now, because I want like a little something on the door for like the outdoor fall vibes. But anyway, maybe we'll hit Michael's in this vlog. Not sure, we'll see what happens. But let's go to Home Goods really quick and see what they have. All right, change of plans. I decided to make a little pit stop at Michael's, so we're gonna go in there really quick and just see what they have. And I'm gonna see if, you know, I can actually DIY the wreath a bit cheaper. I don't think I can, but I also went to Hobby Lobby when I was like looking to see if I could. So maybe Michael's has better deals. So let's just see what they have. I can't believe they already have Halloween decor out. Not my vibe to decorate for Halloween, but interesting that they already have that out. Oh my god, they already have Christmas decor out. Shut up. Alright, I had to switch the vlog to my phone because my camera went dead. But you guys, alright, I did the math. So I was gonna get some of these little things to actually style the wreath, and they have like the base. Okay, so this is the base, which I think is a nice base. The base was only like $7, which I think is excellent. And then the picks that I wanted were like in a bundle for $12.99, and they're 40% off. But all together for these picks, I think there are like 8 of them. They're like $90, but they're 40% off, remember that. So it came to about like $53-ish. Hopefully my math is right. If it's not, I'll put it on the screen. But the wreath that I bought at Target, this is an 18-inch, by the way, wreath. The wreath that I bought at Target was $40, but it was a 24-inch, and it's already done. So part of me is like, yeah, I'm not doing that, because you need a lot of picks to actually make it worth your while, unless you get creative and do like, I don't know, just buying like the little floral stuff and cutting it and gluing it. But I don't want to glue it on the wreath. Like, I want to be able to, the whole purpose of like DIYing a wreath is to be able to use it again for the next year, which is kind of what I'm doing for Christmas. Like, I DIYed a Christmas wreath. I'll be able to use it for next year, and it was definitely worth it, but I don't think this is worth it. A couple days later, so I wanted to show you what I got from the stores that I went to. Couple things. Some of these things I didn't get in the vlog, but I'm gonna show you anyway, so let's get into it. Starting with Target, I got this wreath like you guys saw from Target, and honestly, like I said in the vlog, it is worth the money, I feel like, because to DIY this is way more expensive because the picks are so expensive to just like buy and purchase like this. I'm pretty sure there's like some alternative material or like things that you could use to kind of maybe achieve a similar look, but honestly, like DIY wreaths they can kind of get a little expensive. And now I'm thinking about it, even for my Christmas wreath it can, but I feel like with Christmas you can get a little bit more creative, like ribbons and things like that. Like the material to get for the wreath is cheaper versus something like this. Like you kind of want like the cutesy little, you know, things like this, and it's a little bit more expensive. And you can't really get like too creative with something like this. Like it has to be pre-made. So anyway, love this, good deal. So definitely go to Target for wreaths if you are looking for one already pre-made. I also got this cute little jar. I don't know if I should call it a cookie jar. Let's see what they call it. A pumpkin jar. A cute little pumpkin jar. And it's cute. Like I'm definitely gonna put like some cookies or some like treats or something in this. I don't know what I'm gonna put in this yet. I didn't end up getting anything from Michael's, but let me show you guys what I got from Home Goods. So I did get 2 big pumpkins from Home Goods. One is like a harder like type of pumpkin, and then the other one is kind of more like a pillow, like fabric, smushy type of material. So I really like them. I think they're just nice and neutral, which is the thing that I'm going for. I also got this from Home Goods a while back. I just kind of like to save this for this vlog. But I think this is cute. Maybe I could just like set this on the coffee table or something like that, or somewhere within the house just to kind of add like a little nice, you know, warmth and fall vibes. Also got some more pumpkin scraps. This is more like faux pumpkin scraps, which is nice because it's not like shedding at all. And yeah, I don't know how, like what material this is made out of, but this is really nice. So I'm gonna probably stick this in the vase that I have on my kitchen table. So I'll probably do that because I have like stems in there already, so I'll just change them out and put this in here. And this honestly just kind of like makes it really fall in here. It honestly like elevates the room. So I love this. Just like a really quick, like easy change. I also got this little, I don't know what to call this, like a pourer or something like that. Like when I saw this, I was like, okay, this is cute. My mom was like, she was with me. She's like, what are you gonna do with that? And I'm like, I'm buying it because it's cute, okay? Like, I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I don't know the practical use, okay? So, but I mean, I think if you like, for me, I'm like, okay, I can just like foam my milk, my like, you know, my almond milk for my matcha in this. Like, you can, I'm gonna use it, okay? I'm gonna use this. And I just think it's cute. And even if it's just decor at my little matcha bar, it is what it is, okay? But anyway, I got this from Home Goods. I thought this was just a nice little like fall touch and additive, so we got it. Okay, and then the last thing I want to show you guys really quick are these little cute little mini pumpkins. I actually got these from Hobby Lobby. I didn't go to Hobby Lobby in this vlog, but I did go like a couple days before the vlog, before I was actually vlogging. And I found these little pumpkins, and I saw these in Michael's too, so you can get them at like Michael's, you can get them any like little craft store. I also have more of these from Amazon. I just kind of wanted some that were a bit more warm, which I do like these. Like they're cream, but they kind of like, they're like warm too though. They're not like it doesn't look too white, which is nice. So I just like the tone of them, and so I wanted to get some to mix in with the other ones that I have, which are a little bit more white. So I think it'll kind of have a nice balance. So like these are cute, and you can, you know, style them throughout the house how you want them. So I love having like little small like pumpkins like this. But I think that's all I'm honestly gonna do for fall decor. I'm probably gonna be filming or doing a little decorate with me for fall, so definitely stay tuned for that. And as always, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.